In this video, I will show you how I created this edit in Ibis Paint X. Make sure to watch the full video. Here we are in Ibis Paint X. Let's start by adding our first image. I'll keep it in the bottom area like this. I don't need this section, so let's remove it quickly. By the way, if you want to know how I cut out my images, check the link in the description for a tutorial. Next, let's add this image behind our first one. We don't need the background, so let's remove it. Last but not least, I'm adding this image to complete the frame. I've duplicated this image, one with the road and one without. Now let's erase these sides like this, and I'll explain why once I finish doing the same on the other side. Now when we look here, we can see a smooth transition into the background. I kind of like it. But later, when we add some glow effects, it will all become invisible. Next, I'm going to do some lighting corrections, trying my best to make everything look consistent. Let's add a reflection for our car at the bottom. We'll need to do a lot of warping to get it in shape. Okay, I finally realized that warping alone won't do the job, so I'm using the liquify tool to make it look better. I've somewhat got it done. Now let's decrease the opacity and remove some of the bottom portion like this. Finally, I'll create a new layer, change its blending mode to overlay, and use an airbrush to paint black on the bottom area like this. If we look here, we can see that the image is not very clean, but rather pixelated. While color grading, this issue will worsen. So I'm going to select this area, pick a sample color, and paint over it like this. This is how you can fix the issue. Also, keep in mind to use an airbrush while painting. Only then will it blend seamlessly into the background. Next, we're adding some glows because I'm not planning to use any typography or other elements. I'm using a green glow because later, I'm going to change the car color from blue to purple. Why, you may ask? Because these colors are complementary. Go to this website where you can select complementary colors for your design. I'll leave the link in the description. Check it out yourself. If you don't know how to create glow effects, check the link in the description for a tutorial. Apply the same glow to the car's edges like this. Make sure to paint it evenly on the edges, like rim lights. I'm also going to add the same glow in this area. To make the image more exciting, I'll add some of these particles. Now let's do some color grading. By the way, I slightly adjusted the glow's color. I'm not going to explain the color grading process in detail because I approach it differently for each image. Just watch, and if you find anything useful, take note of it. And yes, there are still a few more steps left after color grading, so make sure to watch until the end. We're back in Ibis Paint for the final touch-up, like adding some glow to the lights. I have no idea which color to choose yet. I'll create a new layer, change its blending mode to overlay, and paint highlights on certain areas of the car to make it look even cooler. And that's it, guys. This is the final image. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, bye.